Good morning, everybody. I'd like to welcome you to our academic session for the College of Health and Behavioral Studies this morning. My name is Doug Hostetler, and I'm one of the associate deans in the college, and I'm also a faculty member in kinesiology. And I'm really pleased to welcome you today. It's a beautiful day in Harrisonburg. I wish that you could all join us in person, but I hope there's another opportunity that you can have to come to campus and explore the area here. It's a beautiful place. So nonetheless, I hope that our virtual sessions this morning, that you'll find them really helpful. You'll have a better understanding of JMU and our various academic programs. So I'll start things off and provide just a glimpse of information just about the college. And then in a few minutes, you'll have a chance to join some breakout groups to learn a little bit more about our various academic offerings. So our mission in the College of Health and Behavioral Studies is to engage students, faculty, and communities in learning, scholarship, service, and health and behavioral studies to help inspire responsible contributions to the world. And we really value engaged learning and provide our students with a lot of hands-on assignments and opportunities throughout their academic journey. Our faculty members, rather, excel in the classroom, and they work really hard to cultivate an academic climate where students have the opportunity to learn. So the College of Health and Behavioral Studies is the largest college at JMU with well over 6,000 students. And we have a wide variety of academic programs ranging from communication sciences and disorders to kinesiology to psychology. And our academic programs, all of them, contribute to the needs of the surrounding community, to the Commonwealth of Virginia, to the nation and the world for enlightened leadership, scholarship, and professional practice that will end up serving systems in healthcare, business, government, education, research and development, and investments in community life. In addition to our undergraduate programs, you may be interested to know that the college also has graduate programs in several areas. And while our faculty excel in the classroom, many of them also engage in significant research, some which involves external funding and grants. Last year, for example, the College of Health and Behavioral Studies accounted for approximately 40% of all external funding for the university, to the amount of almost $9 million. Connected to our coursework, our students have a lot of opportunities for community outreach. This slide provides just a quick snapshot of just a few examples. Our Institute for Innovation in Health and Human Services, for example, connects students with over 20 programs and clinics in the area. For example, the GUS bus brings free academic enrichment to elementary school children where they live throughout Harrisonburg, Rockingham, Page, and Shenandoah counties. The Center for Assessment and Research Studies focuses on assessment of student learning, and the Morrison Bruce Center coordinates physical activity programming focused on expanding opportunities for girls and for women. Finally, our students have many opportunities for engaged learning experiences during their academic career. This might include learning in our nursing simulation labs, or dietetics, quantity foods production labs, or maybe a study abroad experience in some place like the United Kingdom, working alongside a faculty member on a research project, engaging in a clinical experience, or on going through one of our interdisciplinary or interprofessional programs. So as you can tell, we really value engaged learning here in CHBS, and our students have a lot of opportunities to learn in many ways. So at this time, I'll invite you to join one of the breakout groups. You should be able to do that on your screen, that you can take a look at the available academic session options and learn much more about our programs. And I really thank you for joining us today, and hope that you have all of your questions answered. All the best.